Have you ever felt like eating healthy was just too much work? Like every time you try to pick something wholesome, it ends up tasting, well, bland? Trust me, I get it. But I'm here to let you in on a little secret. Eating for your health doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor, fun, convenience. Let me introduce you to Happy in Shape, a brand that's all about making nutritious food easy, delicious, and honestly, something you'll look forward to. Their whole philosophy is centered on feeling good in your body, without any complicated rules or guilt. And the best part? You don't need to be a kitchen pro or spend hours meal prepping. When I scroll through their food section online, I see so many tempting options. Wholesome snacks, nourishing meals, supplements, all crafted for health, but with taste at the front of mind. Whether you're after a convenient grab-and-go snack for those busy days, or a filling meal that actually satisfies, you'll find something that fits your routine. What I love most about Happy in Shape is how approachable it feels. There's no pressure, just encouragement to try new things. Find what works for your lifestyle, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Healthy eating isn't about perfection after all. It's about building habits that make you feel your best inside and out. Prices and offers? You'll want to check their website for the latest, because they're always adding new products and deals. The vibe is simple. Real food, real ingredients, real results. If you're ready to make healthy living a little happier and a lot tastier, go take a peek at Happy in Shape's food lineup. It's a small step that could make a big difference. And hey, you might even start to look forward to snack time. Thanks for watching, and here's to finding more joy in every bite.